Hello students, welcome to your physical education class. So students, today we'll be discussing about topic speed. Earlier we have discussed about strength, then endurance, then today we'll be discussing about speed. कि what is speed, what are the types of speed, ठीक है जी, and what are the methods to develop speed, ठीक है जी. So we will be starting from the definition of speed. Speed means in other words, its ability to move body as fast as possible. Means to cover maximum time or maximum speed or maximum distance in minimum time. Sorry, I'll repeat it. To cover maximum distance in minimum time is speed. ठीक है. Suppose people are running 100 meters. Suppose 8 people are running. The person who completes that race at first position means his speed is, he is number 1, he is the fastest, then second, then third, then fourth, then fifth, then sixth. So speed is that. Speed is basically dependent upon heredity, but can be improved through proper training. It's a very important information that speed is dependent on heredity. Some people are very slow. They are having slow twitch fibers. Some people are having fast twitch fibers from birth only. It depends on the heredity. Some people are very lazy. They keep on sitting on one place. They don't want to move here and there. They don't work actively. But some people are very fast. They keep on moving, running here and there. They are very active in life. Means they are having fast twitch fibers and they can enhance their speed. They can improve their speed with proper training. It's dependent upon the white muscles, fibers, fast twitch, in one of the important components of sprinting as well as fast responses and skills. So speed is ability to move quickly across the ground or move limbs rapidly to grab or throw, or speed is ability to perform movement action at faster rate, or it is ability to individual to cover unit distance in minimum time. 3 types of definitions are given in your book, 4 types basically, कि move the body as fast as possible, and 3 definitions are given in this para. You can memorize any one if question comes like that. Okay? So I'll be explaining you types of speed. देखो, I'll give you one example. See this. बेटे, just suppose this is 100 meter distance. This is 100 meter. Okay? And this race will be completed in 4 phases. If we talk about speed, okay? सब तो पहला, what is written in your book is reaction time. What is reaction time? Reaction time is a quick response to a stimulus. Action, a quick response to a signal. If like you might have seen when the person is starting a race, he is sitting on the blocks. So the 100 meter race we might have seen. There is one caution: athletes on your marks. There is one caution. Athletes on your marks. It is the caution given to the all 8 athletes. Either those 6 lanes I have drawn, athletes will come to this place and stand behind the line. And then 1 minute will be given to them to take the positions. Understood? Means they will be standing here. Then within 1 minute, they will be taking their position. Like what? That is crouch position. Crouch position means bringing all the body part together. Bella, देखो, I am standing like this. Then I will be bending and sitting like that. I will be bringing all the body parts together. ठीक है? At one place. ठीक है जी? Then you might have seen. देखो internet पे check करो. Crouch position कहते हैं. Then there is a caution. Athletes on your mark. Then sat, ठीक है, then go, then fire is there, or fire or clapper is there. In small cities clapper is used like this, means that is the signal which is given to athlete so that he should start running, and he have to run after the clap or fire. When fire is done, then the person start running, and reaction time comes at that point, when he clears the block. So reaction time is a quick response to a signal. Like what is written, its ability to react efficiently quick to a signal. It is time taken to response, change or react after the stimulus, or it is the time taken to react for certain movement, or it is ability to do movement by person after a signal. I have explained you. So with this, इतने हो गया reaction time. Reaction time will be coming here. Then second, speed of movement. That is written in your book. Speed of movement means when an athlete will clear the block, he will move as fast as possible with slow step or with small steps. क्योंकि जब दूर the steps लोगा, he will be slow. Small steps he will be taking with low angle, ताकि हवा कट्टी जा सके. Streamlined body, ये तो हवा पिछो कट्टी जा सके. You can see in your 100-meter race also, when the athlete starts his race or her race, he bends and he gets from down to up, and up to 40 meters we can see. 40 meters. He gives his best. He tries to speed up his race. He gives his full strength. जितनी जान है वो लगाऊंगा to cover maximum speed in minimum time. Secondly, I'll explain this ki speed of movement. Ki what is speed of movement? In this kind of speed of movement, the person will make his movement so fast so that he should cover, take maximum, he can achieve maximum speed. He have to देखो तो तुसी इस तरह slow भजोगे, you won't be able to attain a particular speed, but you have to do movement at very fast rate. ठीक है जी. उस दे नाल एक attached है acceleration ability. Acceleration ability means it is interrelated. ठीक है, speed of movement and acceleration ability is interrelated. Acceleration ability means it's the ability of an athlete to attain maximum speed in minimum time. It's an ability of an athlete to attain maximum speed in minimum time, so that he can attain maximum speed. जितनी जान है ला के वो कर सकता है. ठीक है जी. Next is speed endurance. And locomotion. Speed endurance, so we have covered in last topic. What is speed endurance? It is needed in small distance races. You need speed endurance, means you need to have that much of stamina to cover 100 meters. And next thing which is most important is locomotor ability. Locomotion ability means locomotor or locomotion. It's an ability of an athlete to maintain that attained speed for maximum time and distance. Means whatever speed an athlete has attained up to the distance of 40 meters, he should maintain that speed up to maximum time and distance. This is called locomotion ability. Means to cover maximum, to maintain that attained speed for maximum distance and time. जे तुसी ये attain नहीं कर सकोगे, if you not able to attain that, you will be slowed down. जेड़ा maintain कर गया, he will be the winner. If you are having that much of strength, then you can achieve again, but there is no such thing, because we are not Usain Bolt. Some people who don't recover at proper time, they remain at the back. वो बाहर पीछे रह जाते हैं. So locomotor ability means to maintain that speed for maximum distance and time. क्योंकि एंड ते जाके स्पीड घट जे जाती है, डी-एक्सेलरेशन हो जाती है. तो सो द पर्सन फील्स दैट कि हुण मेरी रेस पूरी होने वाली है, कैजुअली ले जाता है. बट दिस इज लोकोमोटर एबिलिटी. यू कैन गो थ्रू दैट थिंग ऑल्सो. देखो, इट्स एबिलिटी टू मेंटेन मैक्सिमम स्पीड और लोकोमोशन फॉर मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल ड्यूरेशन और distance. Locomotor ability is important only few sports or even like 100 meter, 200 meter sprint races, short sprints in track cycling and speed skating. Locomotor ability is great extent depends upon mobility of a nervous system, which allows to high speed movements. So we have covered these 4 topics: reaction time, speed of movement, acceleration ability, speed endurance, and locomotor locomotion. You can go through this reverse करके भी देख सकते हो कि ये मैं की बोलिया. So you can understand the things better. ठीक है जी. So we'll be discussing about methods. Now we'll be discussing about methods. Methods of development. Methods of developing speed or methods to develop speed. Same thing as this. Okay? So there are 2 things given. There are 2 training methods mentioned in your book for this developing speed. I'll be explaining both these 2. First is acceleration run. Second is pace run method. ठीक है. These are the 2 methods mentioned in your book to develop speed: acceleration run method and pace run method. So first I will be explaining. पहला मैं introductory part पढ़ते हैं. Speed appears in different forms in different sports. The most important form in which speed appears is reaction ability, movement speed, acceleration ability, locomotor ability, and speed endurance. It is very interesting to note that these different types of speed abilities are relatively independent of each other. They do not correlate with each other. A sportsman who is having good reaction ability can be poor in acceleration ability and movement speed. Speed of each type of each body region is specific. Sprinter having good leg speed may have good movement speed or upper extremities. There are some training methods which can improve specific speed abilities. So I'll be explaining about the same thing we have discussed earlier. So I'll be explaining acceleration run method first. So the thing is, what is acceleration run method? Acceleration run method is, in this kind of training method, acceleration run method, an athlete tries to attain maximum speed in minimum time up to the distance of 40 meters and gradually slows down. उन्हें सिर्फ इत्थों तक दी practice करनी है. He'll be practicing only the starting phase of the race. That is called acceleration run method. He'll be practicing this for 40 times, 10 times, 20 times. So that is acceleration run method. देखो, for the improvement of acceleration ability, acceleration run is best method. Acceleration ability is the defined as capacity of body to acquire maximum speed in minimum possible time, but it is not mentioned in your book. But it gradually slows down. 40 मीटर तो बाद वो रुक जाता है, वो नहीं पाइदा, इत्थे रुक जाता 40 मीटर तो बाद. ठीक है जी. It does not go above that level. The acceleration ability depends largely upon the explosive strength, technique, and flexibility. Acceleration ability is the important and most all sports in which high speeds have to be achieved in a shorter time. Examples: sprint in track and field, swimming short distance, handball, basketball, football, water polo. Because you might have seen in handball also, the total measurement of ground is 40 meters. तो उन्हें उससे 30 meters ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੀ running करनी है. In basketball also small runs, football also, ठीक है. So water polo, it is also important in sports in which approach run with high speed are important, like jumps, gymnastics. Sprinter usually achieve the maximum speed in 6 seconds after the stationary position. The increase of speed during a sprint as follows. The young sprinter may improve their accelerating ability by repeating the acceleration runs. I have told you earlier that athletes practice this thing for 20 times, 30 times to improve their acceleration ability so that they can start their race very efficiently and properly. Number of acceleration can run be fixed according to the age and experience of an athlete. So a suggested schedule for the improvement of acceleration ability is as follows. So maximum is maximum near maximum 90 intensity means जोर कितनी जान ला सकते हो, how much level of intensity you can apply on this. 90% जिन्नी ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਚ ਜਾਨ ਹੈ ਉਦੋਂ 90% ਲਾਓ, not 100%, 90%. ठीक है जी. Distance 20 to 60 meters, but it can be 40 or 50, not more than that. ठीक है जी. For sports like basketball, handball, the distance should be for shorter 20 to 30 meters. I explained you earlier also. Duration 4 to 6 seconds. 4 to 6 seconds is for the top class athletes, but for the new athletes or low level athletes, it will take 8-9 seconds also. ठीक है जी. 7 seconds also, but it is 6 seconds is for the top class athletes. So repetitions 4 to 6, जिन्हें मर्जी लाई 10-20 depends on the level कि what kind of level you are having. ठीक है. Recovery, active recovery or in between the repetition. Active recovery means jogging करके आगे या बैठ गए after 30 seconds or 40 seconds or 1 minute you can start it again. While do acceleration runs training, the following precautions should be taken. ठीक है. It question can come like that. What are the precautions taken in acceleration run training method during? ठीक है. You can say acceleration run should be started after problem warming because you'll be spending lot of energy and speed. बहुत जोर लगता है. Then your proper warming up should be there. Fatigue should not set while during acceleration training. Therefore, athletes should walk basic leisurely and start pointing to the game time. ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ 40 ਮੀਟਰਸ ਪੂਰਾ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ, 50 ਮੀਟਰਸ ਪੂਰਾ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ, ਰਿਕਵਰੀ ਕਰੋ, ਵਾਪਸ 40 ਮੀਟਰਸ 50 ਮੀਟਰਸ ਪੈਦਲ ਚੱਲ ਕੇ ਆਓ, then you start your race after 1 minute. ठीक है. Exercise for developing strength and endurance may be done after acceleration runs, but never before that. If you want to go for any weight training and all that strength training exercises, don't do it before these training method. Do it after that because ਤੁਸੀਂ ਥੱਕ ਜਾਓਗੇ, muscle stiff ਹੋ ਜਾਣਗੇ. It can lead to muscle crampness. Next is in early morning training at maximum should be avoided. जो morning है, the meaning of this line is at the morning time, but body is not that much toned up. Any active नहीं होती body at that time. So at that time you should not go for maximum strength exercise. जोर ज़्यादा नहीं लाइदा, शाम ਨੂੰ ਲਾ ਸਕਦੇ हो when muscle tone is very high. In case of pain or cramp, muscle training should be discontinued. If you feel any discomfort and like cramp आ गया या hamstring pull हो गया, don't continue it for after that. Stop and rest after that. ठीक है जी. This completes our acceleration run method. So now we'll be covering pace run methods. I'll be giving you this example also. Earlier we have discussed about acceleration run method means an athlete start running from this point up to 40 meters means पूरी जान ला के he attains maximum speed and gradually slows down. पर pace run method ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੈ, an athlete and starts running and keep on running continuously in this track. लैप लाई जाता 30 लैप्स लाने, सपोज 30 राउंड्स ठीक है जी. The main thing I want to explain this and this is if he is completing one lap in 1 minute 7 seconds, first lap, it's a dot. If he or she is completing first round in 1.7 seconds, कि 1 minute 7 seconds, 67 seconds ला लो, then he'll be second round भी 1.7.8 ही चाहिए, 1.7 seconds or 8. Not it there he is going for 112, 113. इक्को जे गेड़े होने चाहिए, इक्को जे. He is on the pace run, कि he continued that, he is continuing. The definition of pace run method is, in this kind of training method, an athlete attain a particular speed and tries to maintain it for maximum distance and time. A particular speed, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਿੰਨੀ ਸਪੀਡ ਲਾ ਲਈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਮੇਨਟੇਨ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ, but then you have to maintain that speed for maximum. Again I'll explain कि first round ਜਾਂ lap, if he is going for 1 minute 7 seconds, second round will be also in 1 minute, might be 8 seconds, but not that you are going for 20 seconds, means your lap is not proper. Athlete करते हैं. There were many athletes and my classmates, they used to do that pace running, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੂੰ pace run method. ਇਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ pace running ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਆਪਣੀ language ਵਿੱਚ, but it is called pace run method. Means that ਜਿਵੇਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਤੱਕ ਕੀਤਾ ਕਿ he starts the race from here and completes his pace run method up to this and gradually slows down. But in this thing not that. This is standard track. ट्रैक इतों शुरू हो गया, 30 राउंड लाए उन्हें, 30, but it will the athlete will maintain that timings कि हर 1 minute 7 seconds, 8 seconds, 9 seconds, what or 10 seconds चले, but it should not exceed that. ठीक है. So that in cross country races where you have to maintain your speed, because they ਤੁਸੀਂ slow हो गए, someone else will, if you'll be slowing down, someone else will be winning that race. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇੱਕੋ ਰੇਸ 'ਚ ਭੱਜਿਆ ਜਾਊਗਾ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪ ਅੰਡਰਸਟੈਂਡ ਕਰੋ ਨਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਸਲੋ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਭੱਜੇ ਹੀ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੋ, ਐਂਡ ਯੂ ਵਿਲ ਬੀ ਵਿਨਿੰਗ ਦ ਰੇਸ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ. ਸੋ ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਪੇਸ ਰਨਿੰਗ ਮੈਥਡ. Pace run means running the whole distance as constant and steady speed. Constant means regular speed and steady speed. Pace. ठीक है. Disturbed constantly. Pace. Then the race is affected to a extent. ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਡਿਸਟਰਬ ਕਰੋਗੇ, ਜਿਵੇਂ 1.5 ਮਿੰਟ 'ਚ ਭੱਜ ਰਿਹਾ, 1.5 'ਚ ਭੱਜ ਰਿਹਾ, 1.50 'ਚ ਭੱਜ, then it's a variable pace. Then it won't be constant pace. ਕਿਤੇ slow ਹੋ ਗਏ, sometime you are slow, sometime you are fast, sometime you are slow, but that won't be helping you to winning the race. ठीक है. For that you have to maintain maximum speed for maximum distance and time. ठीक है जी. Then the race is affected in great unstable pace creates great exertion sometime. So proper pace is indispensable for races. It is of two types. ठीक है. So if you slow down then pace up, then slow down then pace up, it can exert you. वो थका दूगी ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ. You will be feeling tired in between. So in some proper pace indispensable, it is of two types. Pace races at maximum speed, pace races at moderate speed. Means two types of written. That pace running at maximum speed means you are running this pace run method at maximum speed, जिन्नी speed ला सकते हो, then your laps will be less. और तो 100 मीटर लाई जाने, 200 मीटर ला जाने हो, 300 मीटर्स ला लिया. ठीक है. बट यू विल बी स्लोइंग डाउन. आ देखो इतने भी ला सकते हो, इतने लाई जाओ, 80 मीटर्स लाई चलो, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 0 to 80 मीटर्स. ठीक है. यू आर कंटिन्यूसली डूइंग दैट. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ 300 मीटर्स 200 मीटर्स ला रहे हो, पर कंटिन्यूस ला रहे हो. ठीक है. So sports sprint races like 100-meter pace run are helpful in maintaining the maximum speed up to 20 to 45 meters. Speed is maintained throughout the distance. The phase of maintenance, the maximum speed depends on the requirement of different events. It also depends upon the age and fitness level of athlete. Very young children can maintain their maximum speed to 50 to 20 meters. Well-trained athlete can maintain their speed for 40 to 45 meters. Repetition can be fixed according to the standard of an athlete. Then come pace running at moderate speeds. कि some people they are running this at moderate speed, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਹੀ ਨਾ ਲਾਓ। You can complete ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ 1 minute, ਚਲੋ 1 minute 7 seconds ਆਖਿਆ, it is for top class athletes, ਪਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜੇ if you are a moderate athlete ਕਿ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ high level ਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਗੇ, then 1 minute ਤੇ 40 seconds ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। You can complete your lap in 2 minutes, पर 2 minutes ही होने चाहिए हो, ठीक है। स्लो स्पीड बट कंटिन्यू स्पीड विदाउट एनी ब्रेक, ठीक है जी। So it has been observed that running at the steady pace by distributing the energy evenly, the race of 800 meters or more help in runner to complete the distance in shortest time. Therefore, the race of 100 meters or more and athlete much conserve energy for reducing his speed. In race, 800 meter runner should run at steady pace slower by 25% maximum and distance of 1500 meters. We should not run at the pace of 33% slower than maximum speed. This is very important कि an athlete maintains his speed or evaluate speed कि at this distance I have to run at this pace at this to this pace, ठीक है जी। So he evaluate, देखो word it is written कि conserve energy reducing the speed, ठीक है। So a runner should be steady pace slower कि उन्होंने अपनी पता लगना चाहिए how to complete the race. The first thing to be kept in mind is that how to complete this race कि at this to this speed I will be covering this much distance in this much of time, इतने energy नहीं लानी है, इतने नहीं लानी है, ठीक है जी। If he will be slower then it will cause problem, वो तो पीछे रह जाएगा, ठीक है जी। Then pace training helps in improving speed along with endurance. This training requires extensive practice because an athlete has to set his pace at optimum speed for events and requires for a lot of experimentations. For developing speed endurance, though through pace training, the help of coach is required. However, the following steps are recommended. Running at maximum steady speed or speed at distance 30 to 25 more than racing distance of an athlete. Repetition runs at below maximum, next maximum speed will long recovery period. Pacing machines may be used by they are available. Pacing machines ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ treadmills ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ, treadmills are known to be the pacing, you might have seen in gyms ਜਿੱਥੇ ਉਹ ਭੱਜਦੇ ਆ, that is called pacing machines. You can set a particular pace and run on that for maximum distance. So this completes our these two topics. Any problem is there, you can send me the message, I will explain it again, ठीक है जी। So this completes our topic speed, ठीक है जी। Go through it once properly. If any problem is there, do ask me, I will be solving that, ठीक है। Thank you very much.